got 8 sticks of butter. I'm gonna throw some rosemary in there. Just really get that flavors going. This is gonna melt super quick, and then it's gonna be ready for our steak. I have a lemon right here. Ooh. Just get those lemon juices in there. All right, I got a T-bone steak here.
Ooh, look at that butter sizzling.
We're just gonna soak that in there. It's gonna boil up.
Don't forget that rosemary.
Oh, yep, all that rosemary's in there. I'm gonna add some garlic in there. Just use our tongs. Get some garlic and just right in there. Perfect.
I love garlic with butter.
Me too. Get our sea salt in there. Perfect.
Sweet.
Some pepper.
Wait, let me see. What do you use? Oh, nice.
Perfect.
Perfect.
All right, close this baby up, let it boil.
All right, well, that's boiled.
Some asparagus right here. I'm gonna grab my butter and just rub it all over that asparagus.
Oh, what a great idea.
Yep, this butter is starting to melt, so we're just using it where we can. Great. All right. But that's not all we're gonna add. I have some bacon bits. Yep, I'm adding bacon bits to the asparagus. Perfect.
Ooh.
Just make sure it gets all in there. This is the best asparagus you'll ever make. We're almost done here.
Perfect. What else do you have in here?
All right, I have some cheese right here that I'm just gonna grate on top.
Look at that. Fall right on top of the asparagus.
Exactly. Lots of cheese for our asparagus. This is looking great.
Yeah, you definitely know how to make something healthy unhealthy. I love it.
I love my fatty foods. All right, we're adding some salt
Perfect. Look at that asparagus.
and then some more pepper.
Yeah. Gotta season. Always
Yep.
have to season.
All right, now we're gonna close this baby up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're throwing this right on the grill. And they're still boiling away.
Boiling away. Look at it.
Ooh.
Maybe we'll shift it around. Huh?
Yeah, we'll shift it around. We can just throw that right there.
Right there, around the hot spot.
Yeah, you want that to cook and get
Perfect.
delicious. You can turn this steak around.
Ooh, look at it, just broiling right in that butter.
And we can flip it. Ooh, it's
Oh.
almost done.
Look at that. And this happens so fast because we do heat and get that butter to a boil.
Yeah, that butter is boiling. Our asparagus is good. I'm gonna...
Heat.
All right, this T-bone is about done with its broil. Let's go ahead and pull this to the side. We're gonna give it a nice sear now.
Oh, so just take it off the side of the heat. Look
Yeah.
at that flame going.
All right, and then we're gonna...
Perfect.
Ooh, okay. Let me get a good
Look at
hold of
that. You can
this.
see it like near cooked. It's awesome.
Yep.
That's what we're doing with it now.
We're just gonna sear it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, leave right there. Perfect. Look at that.
Perfect. The smells amazing. Woo! All right.
Perfect.
Just gonna turn down the heat just a little. This is almost done. It's gonna be so good.
I want to see the asparagus in there too.
Oh yeah, this is almost done.
Almost done.
Yep.
Perfect.
Ooh, nice little grill marks on there. All right, you ready for this?
Yeah, flip it over.
Woo!
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, baby.
This is great. And look at, so it's locking in all the juices on the top part of it with the butter broil.
Yep.
And now it's gonna have a nice crunchy outside, super tender inside. When we cut this open, it's gonna look absolutely fantastic.
You know what you're talking about.
Oh, I
All right,
already
let's
know.
go ahead and grab the asparagus off of the grill.
Grab the
You can just
asparagus.
put it on the side right here
Okay.
while we wait for that steak.
Look at that steak.
Ooh.
I think it might be ready.
All right, you ready for this?
I think so.
All right. Ooh, all those
Ooh,
juices.
Look at that.
Ooh, let's go ahead and let's actually open up the asparagus first.
Yeah, exactly. Let's cut open the asparagus.
All right. Ooh, the asparagus smells so good.
Let's switch sides.
Ooh.
Oh my
See all that
gosh.
steam coming off of it?
Yeah, I see
right
the
there.
steam.
Oh, it smells so good.
And you could tell by the smell of the bacon. Let's cut open the steak.
Okay, yeah, we can't wait any longer.
Look at this.
Oh, butter.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
That looks
It's
perfect.
perfect medium well.
Medium well, because no one wants raw meat in this house. Oh, look
at
right
that.
there.
Good medium.
All right, let's try it.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be the best thing ever.
Incredible.